In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on Dropbox. If you've been seeing warnings that your Dropbox is almost full, or you're just trying to tidy things up, following along with these steps will help you clear out the files you no longer need and actually reclaim that storage space. Start by opening your browser and going to your Dropbox home dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the main homepage, you'll see a list of your folders and files. Take a moment here to scan through and identify the items you're comfortable removing. It's a good idea to avoid anything you might still need for work, school, or backups, and focus instead on duplicates, old versions, or files you know you won't use again. When you've found a file or folder you want to remove, move your mouse over it and look for the three dots icon, usually on the right-hand side of that item. This icon opens more options for that file. Click the three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. In that menu, look for the option labeled Delete and click it. Dropbox may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this file or folder. Confirm the action, keeping in mind that this will remove it from your main Dropbox view. However, deleting it from the main dashboard is only the first step. To truly free up space, you also need to clear it from the deleted files area, which works a bit like a recycle bin. From the left-hand side of the Dropbox interface, click on Deleted Files. This will open a page showing items you've removed recently, but that are still recoverable. Here, you'll see the files and folders you just deleted. Again, find the specific file you want completely gone. Click on the three dots next to that deleted item to open its options. From this menu, choose the option to permanently delete or remove it. Confirm when Dropbox asks, because once you do this, that file cannot be recovered through the normal interface. The benefit is that this action actually frees up the storage space it was using. Continue reviewing your deleted files and repeat the same process, permanently removing anything you're confident you no longer need. You can go back and forth between your main dashboard and the deleted files section, deleting and then permanently deleting until you've cleared enough space to meet your needs.